on the weekly chart, we're going to look at Salesforce in here. We're basically trading right below this 200 SMA. We're trading at 230. This 200 SMA is sitting at 232. That is going to be the main resistance we're looking at. We're going into an earnings week in here, so where volatility is pretty high. So you have right around a $17 expected move being priced in by this Friday. Your IV rank sitting at 55. You have earnings coming up after market December 3rd. So we're going to see what happens as we get a little earnings push, perhaps into earnings here. If not, we're going to get a big drawdown, and then that could give us some volatility going to the other side in here. But overall, we're looking at that 232 range as our main resistance going into earnings. Anything above that, we're looking at 234, 239, and then that 9-day EMA sitting up here at 240. If we do end up getting a $17 move here to the upside, then we're looking right around up here at that 247 is a spot that we could be at. And then obviously we're going to be forward looking to that 250 range, which is sitting right here as our main resistance. To the downside, if we do get a nice big miss in here, or perhaps people just don't like the guidance, even though we do get a beat or even a double beat and they still don't like the guidance or what they're hearing, then obviously we're going to be looking down here below these 220s. That is going to be an area for us to kind of set up shop as far as that's going to be our resistance or support for us. Anything below there, then you're looking at 215, 210, working our way down to the nice whole numbers down here, right around that 200. But 200 or 232 is going to be the main number in here we're watching as we're working our way into that earnings report. We're not worried about RSI or anything like that with an earnings catalyst coming up. We're just going to be watching that main 200 SMA in here as our key resistance. If we can get above it, cool. Let's see if we hold. If not, then we're going to be looking for a little sharp pullbacks and recoveries as we're going into that earnings report December 3rd after market. So let's see what happens overall in Salesforce here. We're trading at 230, 232 is going to be our resistance going into earnings. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.